こんにちは皆さん、LiSAジャスミンです。Welcome back to Learn Japanese with LiSA. So before starting, let me explain about this video. This is a Japanese anime songs lyric explanation video. If you want to sing Japanese songs, or if you want to understand Japanese songs, or if you want to get some vocabulary from Japanese songs, this video is for you. For people who want to get some Japanese vocabulary from this video, I made 4 types of vocabulary depending on how frequently they are used. Level A is very often or very common. Level B is quite often or common. And level C, sometimes or less common. And level D, frequently or rare. So if you are a beginner, you can study the level A words first. You don't need to try to remember all of the vocabulary. Anyway, では始めましょう。Let's get started! イエーイ！皆さんこんにちは。鬼滅の刃の新シーズン放映決定の発表がされましたね。イエーイ！やったー！私はすごく楽しみにしています。So I'm so excited about it. I guess you know what song we are going to do today. Yes, Gurenge by LiSA. Yay! I know it's kind of getting less trendy, but you know, it's good to watch the previous one before starting the new season. Gurenge is the first opening of the Demon Slayer. I think a lot of you already know Demon Slayer. It is crazily popular in Japan. Let me explain about the title of the anime. Demon Slayer in Japanese is 鬼滅の刃. 鬼滅の刃. Yeah, some people call it just 鬼滅. The first character is lead as Oni, that means demon, but Japanese demon, like this. Picture. The second character, Metsu, is used for Japanese verb horobosu. It means to slay or to destroy. And last character, Yaiba. Yaiba is sword or blade. It literally means the sword to slay demons. But I feel English translation, Demon Slayer, totally makes sense. Then now let me explain about the title of the song. So what does Gurenge mean? Let's see the kanji character first. So first character means let. This is let as aka or Benny, and it means let. The second character, Rem, it is also let as Hasu, it means lotus. Third character is Hana, it means flower. So this title means let lotus flower. I have never heard the word Gurenge before. I Google it. It's from Buddhism terminology, Guren Jigoku. So that means let lotus hell. Jigoku means hell. In Buddhism, there are 8 hells. Guren Jigoku is one of these. Guren Jigoku is like bloody hell. The red color of blood is compared to the red color of the lotus. Anyway, then now let's start learning Japanese from the lyric. 強くなれる理由を知った僕を連れて進め The first one is 強く. This is one of the conjugation of 強い. It is e adjective which means strong. 2. なれる. なれる means to be able to become. It is a potential form of なる to become. So for example, you can say 超可愛いんだからモデルになれるよ. It means because you are so pretty, you can be a model. And 3. 理由. 理由 is a noun which means reason. 4. 知った. 知った is past tense of 知る which is a verb to know. And next one, 僕. 僕 is I or me for young boys or adult men. Yeah. And next one is 連れて. This is te form, one of the conjugation of the verb of 連れる, which means take, but in terms of take someone. For example, 明日妹連れてくね, which means I will take my sister tomorrow. And next one, 進め. 進め is imperative form of 進む, which means move forward. 泥だらけの走馬灯に酔うこわ わる心震える手は掴みたいものがあるそれだけさはい First one is 泥 Doro is a noun which means mud. And next one is だらけ So something だらけだらけ indicates a state something has a lot of something which is generally undesirable. For example, 私の家は食べ物だらけです。私の家は食べ物だらけです。Which means my home is full of foods. まだわからないことだらけです。まだわからないことだらけです。I have a lot of things I don't know yet. And next one is 走馬灯 So 走馬灯 means revolving lantern. Flashback like a revolving lantern. I think generally we use this word for the flashback. So I translate flashback in this lyric. Hi, next one is 酔う 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 is a verb which means to get drunk. It generally means get drunk by alcohol, but it's also used as get intoxicated by something. For example, in this case, 泥だらけの走馬灯に酔う I am intoxicated by muddy flashback. And actually this 酔う is used for as sick by vehicle or vessel or airplane. For example, you can say 車に酔う which means I get carsick. So you can also say 船に酔う飛行機に酔う And next, こわばるこわばる is a verb to become stiff. And next one is 心心 is a noun which means heart or mind. For example, you can say 心が痛い My heart hurts. Another example is 心から愛しています I love you from the bottom of my heart. And next one is 震える震える This is a verb which means to shake. For example, 寒くて震える I'm shaking with cold. And next one is 手手 So 手 is a noun which means hand or hand. And next one is つかみたい This is from a verb つかむ which means to grab and つかみたい means I want to grab. And next あるある is I have or there is or there are but in this case is I have つかみたいものがある means I have something want to grab. And next one is それそれ is a pronoun which means that. And next one だけだけ is actually a particle which means only or just, so express the state that's all there is. For example, in this song it said それだけそれだけ which means that's all. Another example you can say ここにある本はそれだけです The book here is only this. Hi, now let's review what we've learned today. 強くなれる理由を知った僕を連れて進め泥だらけの走馬灯に酔うこわばる心震える手は掴みたいものがあるそれだけさ that's for all today. Thank you so much for watching this. So this video is the first part of the song. Please check out the second half one as well. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter as well. Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。また皆さんすぐに会いましょう。じゃあね。